How to change the translate language on TikTok. Content on TikTok is mostly in English. If you don't understand English or you want to read translated text in another language, you can easily do so. TikTok allows translation of texts below posts, and you can set the language you want it to translate to. Today, I'll show you how you can choose the desired translate language on TikTok. Let's start with the first step, which is opening the TikTok app. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Click on the three lines in the upper right corner. In the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Find the language option and open it. If you want TikTok to always translate posts, turn on the Always Translate Posts feature by clicking the button next to it. To change the language for translation, we need to open Translate Into. Currently, mine is set to Croatian. Scroll through until you find the desired language. I will choose Spanish. Keep in mind that the language options are limited, so you might not find every language. Let's go back to the feed. I'll find a post with text. Here is the text in English. I'll click on See Translation to have it translated. And as you can see, the text is now translated into Spanish. If you want to see the original text, simply click on See Original. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Don't forget to follow our channel to stay updated on all digital news.